Hi folks, Travis Spencer with Kinney Insurance. Last night I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw someone had a post about their homeowners insurance rates going up and they were looking for advice. As you can imagine, there was very little advice and a lot of banter back and forth and a lot of pointing fingers, blaming the insurance carriers, blaming the state insurance commission, and one person even saying they've just had it, they're going to go without insurance and they're done paying those bills. Facebook is a good place to connect with people. It's a good place to do some research on companies if you want, but usually the advice that you get there isn't advice, it's more complaining. The first step, if you have a rate increase in your insurance, is to make sure that you're working with a good independent insurance agent, someone who represents multiple companies. Work with that agent to see if there's other options. When we have rate increases for our clients, we can shop along all of our other companies and see if anyone else has a better rate. It's also an opportunity for you to see if all the companies are somewhat in the same ballpark when it comes to premium. It's easy to understand if one company's higher and the other ones are lower, there might be an issue there. But if your agent is shopping around and telling you everything's close, then your rate is probably okay and there's really not a reason to move. Working with an independent agent is the first step. Don't look for advice on Facebook. Don't look for those comments to give you much of substance. Work with an independent agent. We're here to help you out. We want to find you the best coverage that we can for the best price. So when you are shopping, make sure you're not just looking at the bottom line, but you're also looking at the coverages. Because if an agent wants to cut your coverage to save you a few bucks and you go and purchase that policy, if something happens down the road, you could be paying more out of pocket. So make sure that you're evaluating everything, not just the price. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help.